Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this really simple hairstyle that you can wear as a wedding guest. Now weddings can be quite costly, so this is a really good way to save some dollars by doing your hair yourself. Now before I get started, if I could just ask any of you who are new to my channel to please subscribe. All you have to do is hit on the red button there and then you will always be notified of when I upload. Okay, so we're going to get started. So I'm going to start off by doing a regular braid. I'm just going to take a section of hair and then split it into 3 equal parts. Cross the left over the middle, right over the middle, and keep doing this until you get to the very end. Once you reach the end of the braid, you just want to tie it up with an elastic band. So now I'm just going to take another section of hair and I'm going to do another braid. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did the last time, and in total I'm going to create 4 braids. Now today I kind of slightly pancaked the braids. You can leave it as it is if you want, or you can slightly pancake it or pancake it a lot. It's up to you what you want to do. So once I have the 4 braids, I'm just going to bring them together in the center with, we'll say, half of my hair, and I'm just going to create a half a ponytail. Now today I'm using a gold hair accessory that I bought in Bijobergay. This cost me, I think, was it like €2, and it really just like jazzes up the hairstyle. And so there we have it. This is today's hairstyle. So guys, if you've been invited to a wedding, this is the perfect hairstyle. It's simple, it's cost effective, and most important, it looks really nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.